Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Wolverhampton Wanderers home shirt, and this is from the 25-26 season. This is from 2fc.com, that's TOOFC.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. Now this is the second version of the Wolves home shirt that I've done, so I've got it for a friend of mine at work, and the first one that we got actually wasn't the official one. Whether it was a pre-release, I'm not sure. But this one, hopefully, is going to be the official one for the 25-26 season. I will also leave a DHGate link in the description of this video. It probably won't be for the Wolves shirts. It might just be for something off their site. But at least it takes you through to the seller that I use from DHGate. Delivery timescales, you're looking between 10 and 15 days for the item to arrive, which I think you'll agree is pretty good. So as I said, the seller is 2fc.com. TOOFC.com, all information in the description of the video. If you are new around here, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or anything, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. What we'll do now is we'll unpack the Wolves home shirt for the 25-26 season and take a full detailed look. Okay, we're at the start of the front of the shirt and you've got like a proper collar line. Stitching's a little bit wonky underneath that side, look. That one's better, a bit of excess cotton there though, and then you've got this like little V additional bit of material there. On this sleeve we have Pseudo, which is the kit manufacturer, and then you've got the Pseudo there as well. It does have a bit of this plastic over it, we can peel that off nice and easy. There's a bit of excess cotton there. The Wolves badge, yeah, that doesn't look too bad. I think it looks quite symmetrical around the sides. And then we have the Pseudo and again JD. This is a vinyl on badge, massive crease in it, but hopefully once the shirt's been worn that crease will soon vanish. Sponsor, feels like it's gone on nicely. You can just make out there is like a pattern in this shirt, and I'm always concerned when they put sponsors on the patterns, but no, this one feels nice actually. We have some breathable material. No, it's just a standard material, just a meshy look to it on that side and on that side as well. Put my hand under it. Being yellow, it's not overly see-through, but the material's got a nice shiny feel to it. And there, if we pull this Pseudo off, I can do it with one hand. There you go. That's come off nicely. Oh, that's a rubberized sort of feel to it. It's more embossed on than the rest of it. Yeah, the Pseudo on the sleeve is vinyl, whereas that's embossed. So there's the front of the shirt. Let's flip it around now and look at the reverse side too. We go onto the reverse side now, and the collar continues around the back and got a slight twist in it there. Again, once it's been worn, that'll soon sort itself out. Stitching on the back there looks okay. Not a lot else really to call out on the back. You can hopefully see though the pattern in the shirt a lot better now, because we don't have obviously the sponsor or anything on there. Yeah, not really a lot to show you on the reverse side. I didn't get any name and number. As I said, this is for a friend of mine at work, so I wanted to keep it plain for him. But yeah, there's the reverse side of the shirt. Just zoom out to give you that full look. And then we'll take a look at the inside now, see what the stitching's like and the print. Okay, we're now on the inside. Stitching of the collar, all looks good. I've folded it a little bit there, but the stitching, that looks nice and strong. Bit of excess cotton there, but nothing to really worry about. Sleeve sponsor, just got that big crease through it. So again, like I said, once it's been worn, that will hopefully sort itself out. Yeah, it's just a shame it's like that so far. The Wolves badge been embroidered on, bit of excess cotton there, but we can soon sort that out with some scissors, but it looks like it's gone on nicely. The embossed Pseudo, perfect. And the Pseudo on this sleeve, again, looks all good. Sponsor, yep, no creases or anything, that's gone on nicely. And then we do have our washing instructions. I think this is going to be here, 100% polyester. And there we go. So the recommendation when washing these shirts is to do it as it is now, flip it inside out, and then when you come to dry it, just let it hang dry. The washing setting should be hand wash setting. Hemline, yeah, stitching looks tidy. A really good join actually there. And a good join on that side. Bit of excess cotton again, but nothing really to be concerned about. That's the first part of the inside of the shirt done. Let's take a look at the final part now. Okay, it's the final part now, and around the reverse side of the collar line you've got this Fear Nothing. Whether that's something that Wolves, whether it's the Wolf, I'm not sure, or if that's just their tagline. And then you've got the pseudo, the Wolves badge, and the size large, and large on here. So this is for a friend of mine at work who requested a large. So you do just get this standard pseudo tag with some form of a barcode on there. But again, not a lot really to call out. If I push in, look, you can just about make out the Wolves badge there, the shirt sponsor. So it is a little bit see-through, but nothing really to be overly concerned about. Not like some of the white shirts that we see. So all in all, I think this is a nice looking shirt. I do like the yellow actually. Reminds me of a Blackburn shirt from a few years back when Matty Jansen was wearing it. That was one of my favourite shirts, the yellow HSA one. But yeah, that's the inside of this shirt completed. And there we have it, our second Wolves home shirt that we've looked at in recent weeks. And this one was from 2fc.com. Reason for getting the second one was the first one was more of a pre-release, whereas this one is the official release. The first one didn't have all this like pattern into the material, but I'm glad this one does. I think the sponsor was also slightly different as well. So the seller is 2fc.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a DHGate link for my usual seller. It won't be to the Wolves items, it'll just be to something on their shop so that you can go and take a look around. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or anything, by all means leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as we take the final look at the Wolves home shirt for the 25-26 season from 2FC, a really nice shirt, and I do like when you get these patterns into the material. But there we have it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.